Hey, let me show you all features that you can use on the AirPods Pro free when you are using an Android device. First of all, let's start from music control. So let's start playing that music, and you can actually pause and play by single tap on the touch sensor. It looks exactly the same like on the iOS devices. When you quickly double tap on the sensor, you are gonna turn next song, but if you quickly tap 3 times, you will turn previous song. We can also change volume level by swiping up and down, just like that, which is pretty useful. And also we get the call controls. So when there's an incoming phone call, you can pinch once to answer to the phone call. When there is when you are in the call, you can actually end that call by also pinching once. But when you pinch 2 times, you will mute or unmute microphone of your AirPods. And right now, when you go into the settings, we can also find some options for AirPods. By going to the Bluetooth, we are able to turn on the AAC audio codec, which will actually improve the quality of this one. And that's basically everything. By the way, there is the proximity sensor that also works in the AirPods Pro 3 on Android, but there is no option to turn it off if you don't like that proximity sensor. So it's automatically pause music when you remove that device from your ears, or when you put it back, it will start automatically playing. When you have iOS device, then there's an option in the settings to turn it off. And now probably one of the most important feature, noise cancellation and the transparency mode. When you put this earbud into your ear and click and hold this touch sensor, you will turn the noise cancellation mode, or you will turn the transparency mode. And it works the same on the left and the right earbud. And that's pretty much it. If you find it useful, please hit the like button.